Drawing can be so much fun. It's also a great way to relax, an amazing communication tool, and it's an essential skill if you want to work in the creative industries. Hi, I'm Mel and I'm an illustrator, artist and teacher. I have over 15 years experience of teaching drawing, and in my experience, the number one issue that holds people back from making their best work and enjoying it is confidence. In this class, I'm going to walk you through a series of fun and simple line drawing exercises that I've tried and tested with students over many years that have really helped them to develop better line drawing confidence. Together, we're going to start by examining what confidence in line drawing is, what it might look like, and how to cultivate it. We'll explore the best materials to use and the subject matter to pick to encourage more confident drawing. Next, we'll discuss some habits that can help put you in the best possible mindset to draw with confidence. We'll warm up by exploring your drawing materials. We'll then work through a toolkit of drawing exercises together, which will explore different ways of encouraging you to draw more confidently. If you're brand new to drawing or you haven't picked up a pencil in years, then this class is a great low-pressure foundation from which to start building your drawing skills and having some fun. If you're a beginner keen to build killer drawing skills, then this class is going to equip you with some tools that will be an amazing complement to those more technical sides of learning to draw. If you're a seasoned artist or illustrator, then this class will be a great workout for your drawing skills. It can really help you to just let go and have fun, particularly if you're feeling a bit stuck in a rut or you feel like you've kind of hit a creative block. So this class really is for everyone, because everyone can draw. In this class, we will not be covering technical drawing skills like proportion, shading, or perspective. By the end of this class, you will have a toolkit of drawing exercises that you can return to again and again whenever you feel you need to freshen things up. Whether you draw for fun and relaxation or whether you're a professional illustrator, being able to draw confidently can absolutely transform your art and how you feel about it. So, if you're ready, let's draw.